Dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines around the eyes are common concerns, but with the right under-eye cream, you can make a noticeable difference. In this ultimate guide, we'll delve into the top 7 under-eye creams designed to tackle these issues effectively. Each product has been selected for its ability to provide targeted solutions, offering you a path to a refreshed and youthful look. Let's explore the details of each cream to help you find the perfect fit for your skincare routine. Number 1. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Hydrating and oil-free for puffiness and bags. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream stands out for its exceptional ability to combat puffiness and under-eye bags. This eye cream is formulated with hyaluronic acid, which is renowned for its ability to attract and retain moisture. Hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration to the delicate skin around the eyes, making it look more plump and youthful. The cream's lightweight, oil-free texture ensures that it hydrates without leaving a greasy residue, which is ideal for those with oily or combination skin. The inclusion of ceramides in the formula plays a crucial role in restoring and maintaining the skin's natural barrier. Ceramides help to lock in moisture and protect the skin from environmental stresses, which can contribute to puffiness and irritation. Niacinamide, another key ingredient, helps to soothe the skin and reduce redness, making it a gentle choice for sensitive areas. Additionally, the cream's formulation is fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, reducing the risk of irritation and breakouts. Its hydrating properties are backed by clinical studies, making it a reliable option for daily use. With regular application, CeraVe Eye Repair Cream helps to diminish the appearance of puffiness and bags, leaving the under-eye area looking refreshed and revitalized.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Roth's Retinol Correction Under Eye Cream. Anti-aging and smoothing treatment. Roth's Retinol Correction Under Eye Cream is a standout product known for its robust anti-aging benefits. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, is the star ingredient in this formulation. Retinol is celebrated for its ability to accelerate cell turnover and boost collagen production, which helps to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to address visible signs of aging around the eyes. The cream also includes a blend of moisturizing ingredients that work to keep the skin hydrated and comfortable. Glycerin, for example, helps to lock in moisture and maintain the skin's natural hydration levels. The cream's non-greasy texture allows it to absorb quickly, making it suitable for use both during the day and at night. Clinical studies have demonstrated the efficacy of Roth's Retinol Correction Under Eye Cream in reducing the appearance of crow's feet and dark circles. Its formulation is dermatologist-tested, ensuring that it meets high standards for safety and quality. Regular use can result in a smoother, more youthful appearance, making this cream a reliable choice for comprehensive anti-aging treatment. Number 3. Neutrogena Retinol Eye Cream. Rapid wrinkle repair and dark circle fix. Neutrogena Retinol Eye Cream is designed to address both dark circles and fine lines with its advanced retinol-based formula. Retinol, known for its powerful anti-aging properties, helps to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This eye cream is formulated for rapid results, providing noticeable improvements in a relatively short period. The inclusion of vitamin C enhances the cream's effectiveness by brightening dark circles and promoting a more even skin tone. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from oxidative stress, which can contribute to discoloration and dullness. The cream's lightweight texture ensures that it absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no greasy residue. Neutrogena's commitment to quality is reflected in this product's dermatologist-tested formulation. The cream is designed to be gentle on the sensitive under-eye area, making it suitable for various skin types. Consistent use of Neutrogena Retinol Eye Cream can lead to visible improvements in both the texture and tone of the under-eye area, offering a more radiant and youthful appearance. Number 4. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. Anti-aging for dark circles and puffiness. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream is crafted to tackle dark circles and puffiness with its blend of natural ingredients. The cream's formulation includes vitamin C and E, which are powerful antioxidants that help to brighten and protect the skin. Vitamin C works to reduce the appearance of dark circles, while vitamin E provides additional nourishment and protection against environmental damage. The cream also features hyaluronic acid, which offers intense hydration and plumps the skin to reduce the appearance of puffiness. Caffeine, another key ingredient, helps to constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling, making it effective in alleviating puffiness around the eyes. The cream's texture is rich yet non-greasy, providing deep hydration without leaving a heavy residue. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream is free from parabens and artificial fragrances, making it a gentle choice for sensitive skin. Its effectiveness in addressing both dark circles and puffiness makes it a versatile addition to any skincare regimen. With regular use, this cream helps to rejuvenate the under-eye area, promoting a refreshed and youthful look. Number 5. Cetaphil Deep Hydration Eye Serum. 48HR Hydrating for Dark Circles. Cetaphil Deep Hydration Eye Serum is known for its impressive hydrating capabilities, providing up to 48 hours of moisture. This eye serum is formulated with hyaluronic acid, which helps to attract and retain moisture, ensuring that the delicate skin around the eyes remains well hydrated. The inclusion of niacinamide further enhances the serum's ability to brighten dark circles and improve skin texture. The serum's lightweight, fast-absorbing formula makes it ideal for daily use. It provides a refreshing and hydrating boost without leaving a greasy residue, making it suitable for all skin types. Cetaphil's commitment to dermatological testing ensures that the serum meets high standards for safety and efficacy. Users have reported noticeable improvements in the appearance of dark circles and overall skin hydration with regular use. Cetaphil Deep Hydration Eye Serum is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable solution for maintaining a well-hydrated and brightened under-eye area. Number 6. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plus Eye Cream. Caffeine and hyaluronic acid for puffiness. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plus Eye Cream is a refreshing option for addressing puffiness and providing intense hydration. The cream combines caffeine with hyaluronic acid to tackle common under-eye concerns. Caffeine helps to reduce puffiness by constricting blood vessels and minimizing swelling, while hyaluronic acid offers deep moisture to plump and hydrate the skin. The gel-like texture of the cream is lightweight and absorbs quickly, making it suitable for both morning and nighttime use. It leaves the skin feeling smooth and hydrated without any greasy residue. Neutrogena's formula is designed to be gentle on the delicate under-eye area, ensuring that it is effective yet non-irritating. Regular use of Neutrogena Hydro Boost Plus Eye Cream can lead to visible improvements in puffiness and overall skin texture. Its dual-action formula provides a reliable solution for maintaining a refreshed and youthful appearance, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. Number 7. RoX Multi-Correction Eye Cream Plus Retinol Capsules. Anti-aging for dark circles. RoX Multi-Correction Eye Cream, paired with retinol capsules, offers a powerful approach to combating dark circles and signs of aging. The eye cream's formulation includes retinol, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while improving skin texture. The retinol capsules provide an additional boost of retinol, enhancing the cream's anti-aging benefits. The cream's smooth, easily absorbed texture makes it suitable for layering under makeup or applying as part of a nighttime routine. The inclusion of moisturizing agents ensures that the skin remains hydrated and comfortable. RoX's dual approach, combining the eye cream with retinol capsules, delivers a comprehensive treatment for a more youthful and revitalized under-eye area. RoX's commitment to quality is evident in this product's dermatologist-tested formulation. The combination of advanced ingredients offers a potent solution for addressing dark circles and signs of aging, making it a top choice for those seeking significant improvements in their under-eye area. Choosing the right under-eye cream can make a significant impact on addressing puffiness, dark circles, and signs of aging. Each of these top 7 creams offers unique benefits, from powerful anti-aging properties to intense hydration. By selecting a product that aligns with your specific concerns, you can achieve a brighter, more youthful appearance. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews.